Hello dark creatures, it's me, Kiro, and time has come for my favorite holiday of the year, Halloween. You better make a huge space on your agenda, because this is one hell of a collab. 15 artists to be exact. Yes, you're not crazy, get prepared for a huge spooky doll action. But first, I wanna thank you for all your good response of my last video. I'm sorry I've been really quiet, but I promise I'm coming with a lot of material. Also, I'm beginning this video with the results of the contest on my story of the Red Riding Hood. Congratulations to Moody Mosh, your story was awesome, and I'm going to post it here quickly with the invitation for you to pause the video so you can read it. Also, here are some honorable mentions to other amazing stories, and thanks to everyone who participated. Now, let's get creepy. I read Halloween Collab and instantly I knew I wanted to make something disturbing. She's going to be a dark ghost with an appetite for human souls. For this repaint, I'm using Ghoulia Yelps from Monster High. Her skin tone was absolutely perfect for this project. I already prepped and blushed the doll as usual. I'm starting with the form of the eyes. Ghoulia has very small distance from the brow bone to the cheekbones, so I'm making her eyes bigger. I'm contouring her features with a light pencil, because I want her to have a skinnier appearance. I want her iris to be really small, for her to have a haunting stare. Let's give her some emphasis on the waterline. With black pencil, I'm going to define the complete eyes, and then I'm going to add some lines to resemble wrinkles. I'm filling the sclera with black pencil, but I'm going to use black paint to make them more opaque. You can see that I basically lost her iris on the way, but don't worry, they'll come back. To give the eyes more depth, I'm going to create a heavy shadow with pastels on the eye socket. Now, let's give this girl some veins with lilac and grey pencils. I told you the iris was coming back, and I'm using white pencil for them to be glowy. Is anyone else feeling the numb vibes? let's put a smile on that face. With an X-Acto knife, I'm cutting through the lips very carefully. And now with a piece of chain, I'm marking the limits where the pulling will be. I'm going to remove the chains and mark the wrinkles. The smaller the pupils, the crazier it looks, so I'm going to make small dots on the center. Now I'm returning with the chains to make them static by pressing them with pliers. And then painting the inside of the mouth with black. Time for a mask. I cut off the face of a clouding doll. No, it doesn't sound creepy at all. And apply 3 coats of white acrylic paint. I want it to look like porcelain, so a lot of shadows and gloss is needed. I'm first marking how I want her lips to be. And then the eyes. Some cracks on her face. And finally, I'm filling up the eyes with black paint and her lips with red. I must tell you that this doll had a lot of back and forward. I started with the idea of giving her hair, but then I didn't like it. But I glue it again, so you will see her with hair and bald again, but at the end she will have hair again. I bought these hair extensions that come as a huge weft, so I just cut small pieces and glue them on the head. Now I'm making the chains that will be pulling her mouth. You can see that I gave her some black drool, and I made this with hot glue, painted black, and gave her some gloss. Now I'll give her a spiky crown with golden metal studs, and cover the rest of the head with black roses. Let's not lose that beautiful tradition of losing some footage, and this time the dressmaking was gone. Watch out, she might be stalking you. And now, time for the big reveal. This was an awesome and huge collaboration, which includes the work of Moonlight Jewel, Doll's brand new look, The Doll Fairy, Doll Mill, Dollightful, Mosekito, Poppen Atelier, Characters Factory, Dollmotion, Kosomolski Dolls, Hextian, myself, Anastazia Custom, GM Art, and Dollumentary. I assure you we had so much fun working together. And don't forget to watch all of their videos. Their channels are listed down below. We hope you have an amazing and spooky Halloween. See you on the next time!